A hearing in federal court pits the families of 3 transgender teens against a local judge. Now, the fight began when Warren County Judge Joseph Kirby said no to name changes.
And the legal fallout here raises constitutional questions. Local 12's Anjanette Levy has covered this controversy since the beginning. She's live right now with the federal courthouse with the latest move. Anjanette, good evening.
Good evening, Kyle. Several arguments were made here at the Potter Stewart Federal Courthouse this afternoon. First of all, Judge Kirby said that he believes that this federal lawsuit should be dismissed because he believes that he was acting in the best interests of these transgender teenagers and their parents when he denied these name change requests. Now, Judge Kirby's attorneys say he is a judge, so he should be immune from this lawsuit because he's making a decision based on state statutes and his judgment. But the attorneys for the parents of the 3 transgender teens, including Elliott Whitaker, say the judge's decisions are discriminatory because he is treating transgender cases differently. They believe this is violating their civil rights, and they say that the judge is asking questions about the teens' health that are not asked of other people requesting name changes.
And Anjanette, the lawyer for Judge Kirby said that he's denied these name change applications for both adult and minor transgender individuals, correct?
That is correct. They made that argument today. They said that Judge Kirby looks at each case individually and evaluates each. He said that he has denied these requests for both adults and transgender teenagers, both transgender adults and transgender teenagers, citing the maturity of the people involved. But the parents argue that they're actually the ones making these requests, and it's their decision, that they should be able to make decisions on what's in the best interest of their child because their children are in therapy and under the care of doctors who specialize in transgender issues. So they say this is really a decision best left up to them. Judge William Bertelsmann, he is the judge who heard today's arguments. He was appointed to the federal bench long time ago when Jimmy Carter was president. He said that he will work on issuing a written decision. He hopes to have that completed by the end of next week. Today, nobody would comment after court. They're all taking this very seriously. They just want to see what the judge has to say about it, and we'll, of course, stay on top of it for you. Kyle, back to you.
All right, Anjanette Levy reporting live for us this evening. Now, the parents are appealing Judge Kirby's decision to a state appeals court based in Middletown. That court is expected to rule within 3 to 6 months on whether the judge here made a mistake. It's possible the federal court here could wait to decide whether the parents' constitutional rights were violated until that appeal is decided.